Salinas Creek downstream of Peterson Reservoir. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Miguel County and City of Las Vegas, New Mexico Emergency Management. There is a mandatory evacuation for the following areas: New Mexico State Highway 65 for mile marker 4 south along Hot Springs Boulevard, the Los Vigils area, Fountain Drive, Willa Lane, Stella Lane, Lucille Drive, Yana Road, and Cinder Road to Mills Avenue. 2 shelters have been set up. On the east side of Las Vegas, proceed to McFarland Hall at the corner of 5th and Friedman Streets. On the west side, the Las Vegas Senior Center at 500 Sabino Street, not the Recreation Center, is open. Make accommodations for overnight stays. City officials will provide notification when it is safe to return. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Santa Fe County in north-central New Mexico until 11:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.25 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flood